Hi everyone, welcome back to your career planning lessons. So today we're going to work on part 2, which is your course plan. So the purpose of this is for you to explore different course options as you look forward to high school and think about which ones you would like to take. And what we're going to do is use the diploma options for Fairfax County to help guide you in your decision making. So before we get into the course plan, I want to talk about the two different diploma options that you have for Fairfax County. There is an advanced diploma as well as a standard diploma. We're going to go over the standard diploma first, since this is the base one, and the advanced studies diploma is the same as a standard diploma but with just a few more credits. So for a standard diploma, you need 22 credits in order to graduate. You need 4 credits of English, 3 credits of math, 3 science, 3 history and social studies, 2 health and PE. Then for world language, fine arts, or career and tech ed, you need 2 credits. So it could be 2 world language, 2 fine arts, 2 tech ed, or it can be a combination. So example, maybe like 1 year of language and 1 year of career and tech ed. You have to take 1 class of economics and personal finance, and then you have the option of 4 electives. So this is a standard diploma. If you opt to do the advanced study diploma, that requires 26 credits in order to graduate, and you just have to take a few more classes. So English, you still need 4 credits to graduate. For math, you need 4 credits, so 1 more than the standard diploma. You need 4 credits of laboratory science, 4 credits of social studies, 3 credits of world language, 2 of health and PE, then just 1 credit of fine arts or career and tech ed, so you would choose. Everyone still needs that 1 credit of economics and personal finance, and then 3 electives. One thing about this diploma is that when you're applying to colleges, they do not see the type of diploma that you get. So a college will not see if you received a standard diploma or an advanced studies diploma. Those are Fairfax County terms. What the colleges will see are the classes that you took and the grades that you received. So for example, if you're debating a standard versus an advanced studies, your colleges that you're applying to will not see that, but they will see whether you took 3 math classes and your grades, or whether you took 4 math classes in your grades. If you need further information about that, the link right here in your presentation will take you to the Fairfax County website about diploma options, and this is also something that you can discuss with your counselor, and your high school counselors will talk to you about moving forward. So now we're going to jump to Naviance, and I'm going to walk you through the the course planner. So when you are on the Naviance homepage, you're going to go over to the tab that says Courses, and you're going to come down to where it says Manage Course Plans New. So when you first come into this, you will see options to either have the Advanced Studies Diploma or the Standard Diploma. Mine is only showing the Advanced Studies Diploma because I was working through this in order to have the video for you, but you will have the options. So you will want to pick which diploma you believe that you think you will want to work through in high school. So I'm going to click on here, and you will see that it's telling you that you need 26 credits to graduate, like we talked about earlier. And then this is going to update as you work through and add your classes. So right now I have 0 classes in my plan. I still need 26 credits, and this bar will indicate movement as I go through. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through each of the classes that you need according with your diploma, and you're going to add them. So here it says with English, I need 4 credits. So I'm going to click Add Courses, and I'm going to go through and add classes. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click the list. So there are a couple ways that you can sort this. If you know absolutely that you want a class, so everyone in 9th grade takes English 9, I could type that in, and my options for English 9 show up. So here I have English 9 Honors, and Transitional English 9. If you know what you want to take, all you have to do is click the box, and it will add. If you're unsure and you want to browse and see the difference, you can click on the title and this window will show up on the side, and you can read the description of the classes. So for me, I'm going to click English 9, and then I'm going to clear that, and they're all going to show up. So as I go through, English 9 is still clicked, but then I can go through and browse what I want the rest of my classes to be. So for me, I'm just going to go through and click my next classes, which would be English 10, English 11, and English 12. Once I've selected my classes, I'm going to go up here. I'm going to review. It shows me English 9 for 9th grade, 10, 11, 12, and I'm going to click Add Selected Courses to Your Plan. So I can see here for English, I've selected all 4 of my credits that I need for my diploma. I don't need any more. I don't need to select any more, and my bar is green. So now I'm going to go back to my plan, and I can see that it has updated all of my classes for English for all 4 years, and it's also telling me in my progress that I've selected 4 credits and that I still need to do 22 of them. So now I'm going to jump down to History and Social Studies. This is going to look a little different because it's going to tell you what you're going to take in 9th grade and 10th grade and so on. So for grade 9, I have the options of standard, honors, and then these are for IB schools and different things. So I'm going to select for my class, I'm going to say honors for grade 9, honors for grade 10. I'm then going to take Virginia and United States History Honors in 11th grade. And in 12th grade, I'm going to try an AP class. So I have all my credits. And then down at the bottom, add courses to your plan. So again, I come back. It shows me that I've added 8 classes, still have 18 to go. So that's what you'll go through. I've showed you the 2 different kinds. So with English, you can kind of search and add in any order. And for History and Social Studies, it gave you the options for each of your grades. So what I'm going to do now to save time is to just go through and complete the rest of the plan, and then I will come back to show you how to submit it. Alright, at this point I have completed my plan, so you will see that I have filled in all the required classes. If you go through and realize that there's something that you want to change, all you have to do is go in and click Edit Courses, or you can click this little trash can and it will delete it, and then you can go back through. But it's all filled in. You will see that at the top it says 26 credits in your plan. I still need 0, and it's checked off. So when you're finished, you can click Submit for approval. And that is going to be sent to your counselor, and they will go through and submit it. Again, this is just a plan. This is just having you think about the different classes that you'll need to take and the different diploma options. This is not your course request. This is not changing anything that you've already put in. This is separate from SIS and what you've requested. Again, this is just a plan to get you thinking about the classes that you have to take and spreading out your schedules as you move forward in high school.